Looks like a great cup, doesn't it? See, here's the funny thing about this cup. Right now it's empty. Could be similar to your pipeline, your sales pipeline, and your prospecting pipeline. Now let me ask you this though. Did you know there's two kinds of salespeople? Two. Most people don't understand this. Most people think there's one salesperson. Someone who's out there closing, which that's what we all want, right? We want someone to be out there closing business. Yeah, let's get it. So closers, huge part of every business. You've got to have closers. The sad part is, where is your opener? Who is your opener? Most businesses focus on hiring closers. We need someone to come in and close business. And then they take a great closer and they give them a list of cold leads. And they say, go create business. I got you all these leads. I just bought this list. How cool is that? Yeah, here's the cold call. Here's the number. Here's the program, right? The problem is, your closers hate freaking prospecting. They don't want to do it. They want to close business. And your openers? Honestly, let's be candid. Anybody in sales loves closing. But your openers are freaking machines. That's why what I've done is, most businesses run on this mentality of, I'm going to fill this cup. This cup, that's what I'm going to fill. This is my closer. And so when you focus on giving your closer a bunch of prospects to follow up with, what do? They find one opportunity and focus on it because they're closers. So what we do is, we've got a team of openers, and our openers make it so much easier to get the right lead to your closer. So our team comes in and we take that headache that your closers hate off their shoulders. We focus on doing the follow-up. We focus on doing the cold outreach. We focus on starting the conversation so that when a closer gets close, or when the deal gets close and ready, the closer comes in and does what they're good at. So make sure, whether or not you work with us, make sure you understand there are two types of salespeople. And if you are expecting one type to do both roles, they are going to be a failure. Not because they are a failure, but because their comfort zone is not both. It's really hard to have someone do both things. So, would you like help? Would you like help filling your closer's pipeline with leads? That's what we do. Pick up the phone, give us a call, or click the link down below. Let's have a conversation and see if we can help you fill your pipeline, grow your business, so together we can change the world. I'm Justin Stevens, and let's have a conversation.